Well guys, here you have another short video from Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, FLIBS. This is a Baglietto yacht made in Italy, and I thought it was a nice yacht to show you. This is pre-show. The show has not started. The show starts Wednesday, and I will be there trying to capture more yachts for you. So please remember that I do this for you, so comments are really important, and also thumbs up. So if you can and you want to support the channel, please leave a comment below. For now, this is all, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.